Hey guys, so before getting started, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. So we'll see how to draw a cube with the XYZ axis. So the XYZ axis is what is going to help you to better visualize in 3 dimensions. So you will need to be able to draw cubes from any viewpoints and from any directions, and we are going to get this XYZ axis to help you to better visualize. So you can see also some minus x, minus y, and minus z, which is going to the opposite directions. But this is just a detail. Just remember the x, y, z. And before getting started, I invite you to download the Designer Starter Kit. It's free. The link is in the description. What we can do with the XYZ axis at the beginning is to start to draw the ground plane. Is like basically imagine if you have a product, this is a table, or if you have something bigger like a motorbike, a car or something, it could be the ground itself. And then what you want to do is to elevate on each corner with vertical lines, and then you can reconstitute a box. So just in case that this step looks too advanced for you, so I invite you to download the Designer Starter Kit, where you will get all the basics to draw in 1 and 2 point perspective, which is going to be really necessary for this tutorial of the day. So as you can see here, for each corner of this box you will see some mini XYZ axis. So I invite you to always visualize them, and I like to call them the XYZ corner. And here we go, let's carry on by not elevating up but elevating down. So I invite you to make some tests by drawing one plane of the box first and then reconstitute all of it. And you see in orange the main XYZ axis that helped me to visualize which viewpoint I'm going to choose for this box. So I invite you to draw on the side some quick doodle of the XYZ axis. And you can try to bend them as well. So you're going to get some slanted. And when you understand how does it works, you have to train by doodling. It means that don't really bother on how perfect is going to be your lines. Just quick doodle so you can test the maximum number of in the quickest time. The number of angles. Just experiment, okay? When you are discovering a new rule, a new technique, first you try to understand all of it step by step, and after you have to doodle it and experiment, trying to apply it so you will remember as well as your brain will remember it, but also the muscles of your arm is going to be more automatic. So don't try to get perfect yet. So on the one side on the right we started with the XYZ axis, and here on the left we started with the plane. So this is 2 different approach that you can get. So I invite you to draw with me. You can pause this video anytime, rewind it, make it interactive, and focus on the music as well, which is pretty relaxing. I try to choose one that make you feel like comfortable when you draw. Take it as a game. Yeah, I got draw one plane, then another one, and I got connect them. Being able to draw cubes from different angles is what is going to help you to draw faster and start any shape, because the cubes, the box, is the basics of everything, because this is from where you will be able to draw more complex forms in the future. So here is just a quick recap on the basics that you can find in the designer starter kit right here. So we are using the construction line of the perspective lines, the horizon line, the vanishing points, and so on. Okay, and this is from what you need to train first, and then you can go on the cubes above. Okay, so once again, if you want to have all this step-by-step method, the link is in the description. Here is going to be the bend version. You just need to tilt the horizon line, so we have a cube which is going to be tilted as well. Here we go. Have you spotted the XYZ axis here? Here we go. Bim. So we learn from the repetition. As soon as you got the technique, repeat as many times as you can, and no need to rush. Doodle them, no need to be perfect. Be imperfect, carry on. Do as many as you want. Take it as a game. Have fun. Hold the cube here to make it more contrasted with the construction lines. Here we go for the XYZ axis. So you can train, and feel free to send me by email some of your sketches if you want to show me. I'm pretty curious to see your progress of you guys. Here we are going to recap all the XYZ axis that we have drawn from the previous cubes from different viewpoints and angles. Okay? Try to draw some cubes from different sizes. Some will be bigger than others. Some will be more doodled, I would say, more rough than others. And if you can see, actually, the cube that looks nicer to me is the one who have the most rough feeling, because it gives more lives to the sketches, instead of trying to get everything perfect with neat lines. Can you feel the difference between the first step and the main phase, the first phase on the top and the middle one? So XYZ, basically, you could just remember it as X as the width, the Y as the height, and the Z as the deepness. Okay? X is a width, Y is a height, and Z is a deepness. Here I bold with hatching on the below to emphasize that this box is seen from the bottom. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Let's change of pen to have something more bold. Okay, so the first phase, what did we do? We start by seeing in 3 dimensions the XYZ axis. Okay, So more you will train the following stages, more this one will be more intuitive. So second, you build up a box from this XYZ axis. Okay? So you start with a simple viewpoints first. And on the tree, try different angle, try various angle. And you're going to challenge yourself. And you can start with the XYZ axis on A, or the second method B is to start with a plane. You have two main methods. That's not the only two, but that's the two main one. And then I would like to invite you to doodle them. And on the last one, whenever like you feel, anytime, go back to the basics, because learning how to draw, learning how to sketch for product designers is a journey. Okay? So go through all these 5 steps and go back to the basics anytime if you need to. There is no shame, there is only progress. And this is what we love it in learning how to sketch. Alright, see you in the next videos.